God is saying to you today, I am your light. When the path ahead seems dark, and you don't know which way to turn, look to me. I am the light that shines in every shadow. The confusion you're facing, the fear that's trying to overwhelm you, and the uncertainty that keeps you questioning, none of it is greater than my presence. You may not see the entire journey, but I will illuminate the next step. Do not be discouraged by the darkness around you. A single ray of my light can break through the deepest night. Keep your eyes on me, and I will guide you with peace, wisdom, and hope. I am your light, and no darkness can overcome what I have planned for you.